Hi guys, welcome back. So we're going to react to Bang Chan Railway.
Yeah, let's go.
And just a caveat, we have heard the song before because we went to the concert.
Yeah.
So it'll be interesting to see how the film clip ties into sort of what we've seen already, which was a dream, nightmare vibe.
Yeah, the whole visual was very edgy and blurred, so it'll be cool to see.
And then he ripped his shirt off at the end, so we'll see.
So to put that in there, disclaimer.
The two-tone eye.
That's really neat. Ooh.
What was that? What was that? Ooh.
Like blood? Ooh, like maybe a monster?
Oh, he's bad.
Oh, the neck crack? I wonder, it's very
Dark,
but very, is he stuck in a nightmare maybe?
I don't know, but his voice is so like, ooh.
Oh, really nice voice.
The vocals.
Like he's dreaming? Oh, the black eyes.
Oh, he's the villain.
Oh, but he's killing the monster things. Oh.
Oh, it's like a zombie scene.
The black blood on his hands?
Yeah, I feel our heartbeat shaking, trembling. Oh.
It's like that represents blood. Oh. This song is so good. Like hearing it again, even though live was really good, but like actually listening to it again.
Yeah, the way they've put his voice in it's like synthesized into the music.
Like his voice is the music and there's just a bit of a beat to go with it. Oh,
so good. It reminds me a little bit of The Weeknd.
Yeah.
Like that sort of Starboy. Oh, I really like it.
Drinking blood again.
Yeah. He's bad. Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh, more please.
Who's that? Oh.
Don't you care about the casualties? Cause it's tough when it's just you and me.
Maybe he's killing the monster?
It would make sense because he's in white, killing the one in black.
Yeah, and like the different coloured eyes.
Good and bad, yeah.
Well, rough ride.
Oh.
But wait, he's in white there with his different eyes.
Oh.
I don't know. It's like very hard to understand that these parts.
This contacts really suit him, actually.
It's a nice face card too. What's that noise?
What's the grunting?
At least that's nice. Stray kids everywhere, all around the world. You make stray kids stay. Oh, I love. Not the monster voice though. That's weird, gross. the grunty.
We love the song.
We want Bang Chan's voice.
We absolutely love the song. Film clip. A little bit scary. Interesting.
A little bit terrifying, but maybe it's very tied in.
Concept.
Yeah, obviously
Yeah,
it's a
it's got a
concept.
concept. Yeah. Thanks, team.
Thank you for the recommendation, and don't forget to like and subscribe.